Hey everyone, happy Tuesday the 13th. This is coming to you a day late. I am back planning this week, which is for me kind of a bummer because I feel behind, but life happens, things happen, and I still need to decorate my planner. I am not going to write in this white space. Okay, so it is St. Patrick's Day weekend, but I'm not going to use a traditional St. Patrick's Day kit this week because I want to show off our mystery kit for last month, February. And the reason why I'm going to show you this kit is because we do have a few left. So if you see this and really want it, go onto our website and hurry up and order that because there are a few available left. We also have a mystery kit for March, and you can order that on our website now as well. We do have a couple of sneak peeks, I believe, in our Facebook group, Planner Journey by DEK Designs. So the mystery kit is actually 8 sheets, and it comes with die cuts as well, but I'm going to just show you the kit. If you want to see what the die cuts look like, go to our Facebook group. Some people have gotten it and shown them off and how they used it in their planner. So here is the first sheet, and it's customizable. I decided to, instead of use my last name, a lot of people call me Huck because there are a lot of Emilys in this world, so I get referred to that often, so I put Huck's Plans instead. And I love this double box. It says Little by Little on the book that she's holding. And this is a very springy kit, and I can't wait to put it down. And we are actually going to have over 60-degree weather tomorrow, and I'm so excited. We had snow and nasty weather last week, so I am just so ready for this. And it's so funny because last week I told you guys I wanted to use a spring showers kit because we were finally starting to get nicer weather, and it freaking snowed like crazy. I jinxed it. It was totally my fault, so I apparently put these upside down when I was putting these in order. Anyway, so that's the checklist, the weekend banner. Here is the matching artwork deco. And you can choose light skin or dark skin for this kit. I chose light skin. Here's the matching headers. It's very pastel. Here are some matching icons and glitter headers. And here are some extra bow boxes that match the colors of the kit. So that is the mystery kit for February. I'm going to use it this week in March. All right, I'm going to get started. All right, everyone, here is my spread for this week. This is, once again, the February Mystery Kit, and it is very pastel. You see there's a lot of butterflies and cupcakes and flowers and these little balloons. I used both of the little ones this week. I put this one here because I decided to plan today and back plan. Still mad at myself about that, but gotta do what you gotta do. And I put not today on Monday, yesterday, and I consumed a lot of coffee, so I thought that was appropriate to put there. I love this kit so much. It's just refreshing, has that spring feel to it, and I think it's very appropriate for this week because it says little by little. There's a lot of tasks I need to do this week, and just focusing on one at a time and getting it done and moving forward is the best way to look at that. As you probably noticed throughout the video, I did put this washi down, but realized that the black date circles were showing through it. So I used the washi that came with the kit on top of it, which kind of worked out because now instead of bows for the washi that I put down, it looks like infinity symbols. So it ended up working out. But anyway, this is my spread for this week, and if you want this kit, we still have a few left available to order. If not, we do have a March mystery kit available too. Kind of gives you that element of surprise. You don't know what you're gonna get, but it might be something super exciting like this one. So don't miss out on that. It's an exclusive thing. It's not going to be sold in shops or Etsy or main website or Amazon after it is sold out. All right, so make sure to join our Facebook group, Planner Journey by DEK Designs, to take a closer look at what is all included with this, including the die cuts and stuff like that. And give us a thumbs up on the video if you liked what you saw tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because sometimes we post giveaways and special coupon offers just on our YouTube. All right, everyone, you have a great week, a safe St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you on Friday for new releases. Thank you for watching.